Today in front of me I have the Nokia X30 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start off, I would like to show how you can set up the fingerprint unlock method for a screen. First of all, let me disable this little shortcut. I'll leave this feature for later. So in order to set up the fingerprint recognition, you gotta launch settings, then enter the security category. In here, tap on the fingerprint. Choose what backup method you would like to go alongside it, so pattern, pin or password. I'll choose pattern, then draw the pattern and confirm it by redrawing. After that, choose what notification content will be visible from the lock screen. And, well, start the enrollment process. So this scanner is located at the bottom part of your display, right over here. So just lay and lift your finger onto it until the entire surface of it will be successfully scanned and enrolled. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it, so all the corners and edges will be scanned as well. Just follow the instructions that the system provides you with. Alrighty, so the fingerprint has been successfully added. Now let me just go ahead and quickly test it out, see how well it works. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues at all, relatively swiftly, I should even say. Let's see whether it will recognize other fingerprint. It does not, as it should be, so great success, I guess. The next feature, or should I rather say option, is located at the display category, so let me quickly enter it. Not storage, display, here it is. It is called the screen refresh rate, and it allows you to switch its value between 60 and 90 Hz. So long story short, the higher refresh rate you set, the smoother and silkier visual experience you get, but at the same time it will drain more battery. So if you are aiming for the power preservation, just opt for the standard value. If the battery life is not your concern, then it's sufficient in your particular case. Just set it to be adaptive, and the refresh rate will be automatically adjusted to 90 Hz in occasions when it will be needed, of course. So moving on to the next feature, that is located at the accessibility category of settings. It is a magnifying tool that allows you to zoom into stuff. So let's say you are scrolling the browser, using the internet, whatever, and you have encountered some tiny text that you are not able to recognize, so you want to zoom into it. So enable the magnification shortcut by switching on this toggle. Once you're ready to activate it, just tap on the shortcut. As you can see by this little orange frame, it is active now. Then tap on the screen zone that you would like to zoom into, and after that, by using the shrink and swipe like so, manage the zoom in scale. Once you're ready to quit the feature quit the magnification, tap on the shortcut again. If you would like to switch its mode to like a moving magnifying glass, tap on this little icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and it will provide you with this restricted area that will be used for magnifying stuff, which you can also, I guess, should be at least able to zoom into inside or zoom out of inside as well. Alrighty, the next small tip for this video is located at the battery category, and it is related to battery, obviously. So as you can see right now, I'm not able to see the exact battery percentage at the status bar. In order for me to understand how much power I have left exactly, I need to swipe downwards and open the notification panel, and now it displays that I have 59% left. If you would like for the battery percentage to be visible at all times and be present right next to the battery icon itself over here, just switch on this small battery percentage toggle, like so. And fifth and final tip is located at the system category of settings. Enter the gestures, go for the system navigation, and in here you can switch your system navigation type between gesture navigation. That's the one that I've been using this entire video, by right now at least. Then you can set it to be a very old school classic 3-button navigation. You'll get these 3 digital buttons, which you can use to navigate through your system like so. Alrighty, so that will be it, not only for the last feature, but for this video in general. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.